The Dovecote Loft, Edgerton, Ohio. This loft is hooked on a 12 by 20 storage shed barn. The loft itself is 4 foot by 8 foot, about 7 foot tall. The landing board, right above that is the trap, which is closed. The outside area with hardware cloth. 2 storm windows with the glass removed for ventilation. The glass will go back in the winter. Two vents up on the end. Vents and block glass for light. The vents go through the rafters. Landing board, the trap is closed. The wood door stays open the majority of the time except for in storms throughout the summer. So there's more ventilation through the screen door. Screen door has screen to keep mosquitoes out. Also has chicken wire to keep predators out. Inside are the perches. White homing pigeons. Young, who are just in about the first month of their training. An old kitchen cabinet with the door removed for nesting area. Underneath this board, it's an OSB board, is the water. That board is there to keep the feces from soiling the water. Also is the grit mixture, and beside that is the mineral supplement. No electricity. I keep a flashlight in there for if I need to go in at night. It's easier to work with the birds when they aren't so active. From the inside you can see the storm windows that are used for ventilation. Here's where the ventilation comes through the rafters. Has a closable flap which is hinged on the inside and held shut with wood blocks. Also the ones on the end, same thing. That can be used to open and close if it gets too drafty. If you need to open them in the winter or close them up at night. That's the trap door from the inside. Down at the bottom is the door. It's on a hinge with a wood block that holds it shut. Goes to the outside to the cage. This loft does face to the east. The screen doors to the south. So they get plenty of light. You open up the trap. That block there is held on with a screw. Somewhat tight so you can still move it. Right there the trap is opened to trap the birds. They cannot fly out, but they can fly into the loft. Looking from the outside, the landing board and the trap is in the trap position. It's about a 3-inch space. The birds can jump through that hole into the loft. When I loft fly the birds, I can just go ahead and open this trap door all the way up with a hook and eye and hold it open. Now the trap is all the way open. It's a very simple trap to make. Couple of hinges. I believe it's about 12 inches wide by 9 inches high. The trap is now open. The birds are free to fly in and out at will. It's hard to find a trap door, how to make one that'll work well. There's many different designs. It's an easy, cheap door to make. It's hard to find on YouTube. That is the Dovecote Loft. A basic pigeon loft that works very well. Edgerton, Ohio.